we're taking a closer look at the Logitech G435 Lightspeed wireless gaming headset, a lightweight headset with dual wireless connectivity and immersive sound. With its ultra-comfortable design and built-in mics, it's perfect for gaming, chatting, and everyday use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Logitech G435 Lightspeed gaming headset, charging cable, Lightspeed USB-A receiver, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. Connect the USB-C cable to the headset and plug it into a laptop, charger, or power bank. The light will turn on while charging and switch off when fully charged. For best performance, avoid using the headset while charging. How to pair. Turn on your headphones, then press and hold the microphone button for about 3 seconds to activate Bluetooth pairing mode. Next, go to Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone and tap Pair New Device. Select your headphones from the list, confirm the connection, and the pairing will be completed successfully. To connect the G435 gaming headset to your PC using Lightspeed wireless technology, first plug the USB receiver into your PC's USB port. Then turn on the headset by holding the power button for about 1.5 seconds. Once the connection is successful, the LED will glow cyan for a few seconds, confirming it is connected. Smart features? Weighing in at only 165 grams, G435 is super lightweight and comfortable enough to wear all day. You might even forget it's there. G435 fits a wide range of players, but is optimized for the comfort of younger players and those with smaller heads, esport pros in training. The ear cups on G435 are covered in a breathable fabric that keeps your ears cool during long play sessions. The memory foam padding is not only comfortable, but it also helps absorb sound waves to improve the sounds you hear. With built-in dual beamforming mics, G435 drops the mic arm while reducing background noise and making sure you sound like you're in the same room as your friends. You might even catch yourself trying to high-five one of them. Get immersed in carefully balanced high-fidelity sound. Discord-certified, G435 features high-quality 40mm audio drivers and compatibility with Dolby Atmos, Tempest 3D audio tech, and Windows Sonic. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Logitech G435 Lightspeed gaming headset from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Logitech G435 Lightspeed gaming headset. See you at the next one.